Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on your Google Pixel phone. So to find the sound settings, we're gonna go into the settings app. You're gonna find it on your phone and click it. And after that, we're gonna scroll down to sound and vibration. We're gonna click on it. And here you will see all of your sound and vibration options. So for example, media volume changes the volume. Call volume changes the volume of the calls you receive. Ring volume changes the volume of the ringtones. And alarm volume changes the volume of alarm. And there are also, you can hear, there are also a few other options. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.